Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here and welcome back to another crypto video. Ethereum just crossed the $4,500 mark. Alright, almost every single crypto is looking poised for another crazy rally, and today giving you guys a general cryptocurrency price update as things are very interesting right now. So let's take a little bit of a look at the markets. Bitcoin just now crossed the $64,000 mark. Ethereum just now crossed the $4,500 mark. BNB is going like a freaking rocket at $560. ADA actually really undervalued right now with about $2 in price valuation. Solana at $206 or 207. Polkadot still going pretty damn huge at $52 respectively. That was one of our most undervalued coins for a little while, so I'm pretty happy to see that one perform so well right now. We all knew it was going to happen though with the auctions, of course. XRP at $1.12, still pretty low as well. And from there on forward, it's all over the place. You know, Shiba, Doge, and they're all over the place basically. However, pretty interesting to note that most cryptos except for DOT are in kind of a neutral state right now, except for also some coins like Tron, which are outperforming. Generally speaking here, and crypto.com as well, most cryptos are within the the Bitcoin range. Bitcoin is going +4, and usually most cryptos are within like a 2-3% region away from Bitcoin. If they're not, like DOT is right here, it's just 3-ish, but still it's a little bit further away. Then we consider those like outliers. They have something special going for themselves. With DOT is definitely logical right now. However, I was actually recording this video about 3 hours ago, but I didn't have enough time to actually edit it. And so I was like, you know what? I'll skip the video. I'll go to the store because I had a couple of errands to run. Because again, some people have lives as well. I do as well. I have some stuff to do, of course. And then I didn't get time to edit it and put in the proper thumbnail and title and whatnot, because that sometimes takes time. I was like, you know what? I'll just skip it and make a video later. How unfortunate that was. What a stupid decision of mine. Because in that video, it's almost the same as most of my videos, but in that video, I would have most likely told you guys again, urgent update on XRP. Right now it was XRP, Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin. Let's quickly check out which coins I was going to update on. I've already made the video, but I deleted it now. XRP, Shiba, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. What I was about to say was this, right? And I'll just replicate it because it's still relevant, but now I have more hindsight information. So let me guide you guys through. Shiba Inu, I'm going to tell you guys, be scared a little bit for it. So a little bit earlier on Twitter, I asked you guys, are you shorting SHIB? It's not because I was expecting the downside, but it's because right now we were in an indecisive zone. And this area here, I wanted to kind of clear up that even though we can find a little bit of a demand zone for Shiba, again, you don't always buy into it. It depends on the structure of the entire market and on the crypto. For Shiba Inu, we notice that this is a very strong area. Right now, this little area here, it's literally been broken so many times. You gotta be really not so certain about levels like that. So Shiba Inu, I would not pick up near the all-time high levels. I would maybe pick it up if it goes, like let's say halves in value again or goes back this far around. But I wouldn't pick it up if it's just gone up this much, so to speak. And Shiba Inu is like always a little bit more of a speculative coin that you can buy and try, but I wouldn't always do that. And I wouldn't basically put my reserve into Shiba, if you guys get my drift. Now, that is different with most other cryptos like XRP, for example. Luckily, we picked up XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, and even Cardano, I think another two yesterday, because most coins came back into the zone which we wanted to buy them at. XRP, our last buy was here at the $1.07 mark. Right now, we are touching $1.13 or so. So that's a nice profit over the last like 24 hours or so. Let's quickly check this out. That's about 5.5% profit in the last day, which is definitely nice to see. It's a little bit more than a day already. It's about 1 day and 12 hours, 1.5 day already. But that is very nice. Again, you guys know about the strategy round. I told you guys as well, we either need to get a really harsh retest basically at the trend line or a retest again at Fibonacci. I was hoping for the trend line though, because that again would show more positivity. But for right now, I'm not doing anything. I'm not selling it because I just like buying it more. If you have a leverage position though, right now you might consider selling because again, if we look back 6% or so, 5-6% times 10 to 15 can be a very nice profit. And if you can get one of those trades like here every couple of days or so, you're going to be golden. So once more, I'm definitely saying to people, if you had a leverage position, take out maybe a half or so to take some profits, unless it's a longer term position. But if it's short, take it out. For Bitcoin, same thing goes. Right now, our last buy was yesterday at about, let's quickly see, about $60,000. So right now we're $4,000 up, which is not too crazy, but it's also a 7% or so gain, which is even better than that of XRPs, which is kind of funny. So once more, our Bitcoin trades are always with 15 times leverage. You guys can do the math on that, right? That is about 100% gains that we got on our Bitcoin trade since yesterday. And all of this stuff I do over on Bybit. There's a couple of other things I need to tell you guys about Bybit because there's bonuses, but there's a ton of them, really. There are. So again, a link for that is going to be down below to grab yourself a couple of bonuses. But there's still, for about 12 more people, 10 BIT that you can get for completely free. The first 10 people, or actually the last 10 people out of 100, to make themselves an account over on Bybit will get themselves 10 BIT for completely free. Doesn't cost you anything. All right, and BIT right now is about 2.9 bucks. That means every single person who deposits is going to get themselves 10 of this BIT, which is, again, in total about 30 bucks for completely free, no work attached. All you have to do is deposit something and make one trade. And once you've made that one trade here, you've gotten yourself 10 BIT. If you didn't get it, contact me. All right, let me know. I will help you out. I'll make sure you get it. And again, there's only 10 spots left. There were 100 before. Right now there's 10, and it's just free money. Doesn't cost you anything. There's also a 3.5% deposit bonus, but I think that might almost be over here. There's a couple more days left of it. And again, right now, our longer term trades are doing really nicely. Our XRP trade is at about 300% profit, and our Bitcoin trade is about 450% profit, respectively, about $2.5 and $2.9 thousand. And you can see our trade is only about 300 bucks worth. That's because I keep cashing out small parts every so often, because as I said before, you got to take profits specifically in times like this. And how you do that? Well, that depends, right? It depends on your own personal perspective. You can close it right here with one of these buttons, or you can actually press here to close some positions up if you want to, right? That way. All right. Having said that, what's my next strategy? What's my next plan? Well, as it currently stands, I'm actually just buying altcoins mostly. I'm buying almost every single coin out there because I've been sharing it over on Twitter like crazy, which, by the way, I recommend you guys to follow. All right, go check out my Twitter. A link is down below, TheDustTBC. I've been sharing a lot of things on here, specifically memes, but also tips. Like, for example, the fact that I'm buying XRP like a madman right now. I'm also buying ADA. I'm also buying Solana. I'm also buying I didn't buy Polkadot today, to be honest with you. I bought Polkadot last time. Let's see. It was either yesterday night or the night before. Let me think. No, the night before. All right, I actually bought the majority of my altcoins the night before. I bought a couple of altcoins, like I said, yesterday during the night, which is also kind of like the night before. I kind of consider that was when I basically bought my bulk of my coins. And one fun thing is that one Indian guy told me, Paco is his name. I think his name is like Run with Bitcoin or something like that on the interwebs. He told me when we met that November 2nd, the entire India was going to have a Bitcoin buying event or so. I'm not exactly sure what that was all about. In one of my groups, we actually talked about it for a little bit. I wonder if that's the cause of this pump right now. I wouldn't say that it is, but it's pretty interesting, right? But with that anticipation in mind as well, man, I'm just buying like a freaking madman. I want you guys to know that. I don't really sell too much. You can sometimes sell if you've gotten a certain amount of profit on your specific positions, but right now it's still buying area because I believe Bitcoin is going to see at least $70,000 first. It's going to see more. Ethereum is going to see $5,000 pretty damn soon here, guys. There's only a 10% gain. Right now we are drifting through all-time high territory. Guys, don't trust me, because it's not financial advice, but listen to me when I say that right now we are taking some crazy trades. I have a lot of long positions open, a lot of them on my own personal account, a couple of them over on here. We even have a couple other trades that I sometimes show you guys on XRP open here. It's just because we know things are about to go nutty and we are nowhere just quite yet. Guys, the crypto market is about to go 10 times as big. Might take some time, but even during this bull market, I think some coins like Ethereum might even still double. XRP is still going to go times 10, I believe. Cardano is going to like quadruple as a minimum. BNB might easily see $2,000 in the near term as well. Guys, these cryptos are going to be going crazy. It's just a timely manner. You need patience and you need persistence. A lot of people are going to sell as soon as they see some profit. No, we're not going for that. We're going for the big boy stuff. It's about to happen really damn soon if you ask me, and oh boy, am I prepared for it. So if you want to trade as well, Bybit link is down below. Make sure you check it out. Act responsible. Don't do some crazy stuff, but the link is down below. And I also bought a lot of, little side note, a lot of BIT for like $1.30 or so a little while ago. But I'm still sometimes picking this up purely for the fact that I think it's like it's Bybit's coin, the coin that they actually created. And so might just be smart to have it. There's 10 billion of them in total. Might just be smart to have it because they're going to keep it growing and growing and growing. All right, it's already a pretty big coin. Let's quickly see, 10 billion. So it's already let's say about $30 billion in market cap, theoretically speaking. So it should already be in like the top 10-ish area, which is why I'm not too happy with it just quite yet because there's not that many gains to be followed. But it can still go to, for example, like $5 or so in the near term as Bybit keeps increasing in popularity. So if you ask me, it's a pretty good buy. Again, not promotion. Don't have to buy it because of me, but I'm just saying I did pick up some of that stuff too. And that's that. All right. Thank you guys all for watching. Hopefully you all enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you press the like button and subscribe. And I will definitely see you guys again in another crypto video later today.